In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this equation using a powerful tool known as the Lambert W function. Before we dive in, there is a fundamental identity you need to know. A to the power of x equals e to the power of x times the natural log of a. Using this formula, we can rewrite our equation like this. Next, to make the manipulation easier, let's multiply both sides by the natural log of 2. This transforms our equation into this form. Now, it's time to apply the Lambert W function. Remember, the core property of this function is that w of a times e to the a equals a. Our goal is to rewrite our equation so it matches that exact pattern. As you can see, they now match perfectly. This allows us to simplify the left side, giving us x times the natural log of 2 equals w of 32 times the natural log of 2. Finally, we divide both sides by the natural log of 2 to get our result. Here is our final exact answer. You can calculate the approximate decimal value if you like, but this form is perfectly correct. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.